What's going on, Mixed Nights? I am Nathan Mixer with MixedFitness.com, and in this video we are going to do a core workout that's going to involve no sit-ups, so you're not laying on the ground at all, so your hands won't even get dirty. Now, if you want to develop a strong core, this is the way to do it, especially if you are a beginner. It's going to help stabilize the whole entire body working that core. So if you don't want to get your back blown out, make sure you do your core workouts. All right, so let's get started. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and let's start with the high knees. Our knee raise. All right, so you are very familiar with the knee raise if you've followed my previous video. This video or that workout will actually help increase your core strength in a very easy way. So you're gonna alternate legs, feet shoulder width apart, as high as can. The next workout is gonna be the knee to elbow raise, or knee to elbows. Remember, these are just warm-ups, everyone. So 20 seconds each. We're gonna bring the opposite end elbow right to that opposite end knee. Okay, bring your legs as high as possible. If you can get past parallel to the ground, that's perfectly fine. Don't pull on your head when you do this workout. And yeah, just breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. You got about 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're gonna do the side-to-side chops this time. Now with the side-to-side chops, your feet, they're gonna be locked into place, okay? So they do not move. The only thing that should be moving is your core. I find it best to keep your eyes right on your hands. This is gonna help you engage the core a lot more, burning those calories a lot more faster too as well. All right, breathe into your nose, out through your mouth. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, the twist jacks. These are gonna be some confusing exercises, as you will find out. It's gonna take some rhythm to get into it. Even I had to find it for a minute. But pretty much you're doing a split squat and you're twisting your arms left to right the whole entire time, looking straight ahead, engaging the core the whole entire time, all right? If you can go faster, go faster. It's gonna look a little weird at first, but once you get the rhythm down, can't nobody stop you. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so one of your favorite workouts to do is the run in place. This is just to get your heart rate up. All right, so the same concept is going to apply as it does in almost every training session we do. You're going to look over the horizon, engage in the core the whole entire time. I'm going to keep reminding you to do that. Bring those knees up as high as possible, as fast as possible. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. 3, 2, 1, and break. Rest. All right, so that completes the warm-up. Pretty straightforward. Take your time with it. Drink the water, beat the heat, subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and share this video with everybody. Let's get ready to start the next workout. All right, so the cross chops, okay? So this is gonna be very intense. All right, what you wanna focus on is bringing those outside, or bring those arms to the outside end of that leg. Bring your hands past the heel of your foot too as well, and bring your arms up as high as possible, okay? That's gonna help you engage the core. Go as fast as you can with this particular workout. Keep your head above your heart. 2, 1, and break. We're switching sides. We're going to cross chops to the right-hand side this time. The same concept is going to apply. Your feet are gonna be locked into place. I normally will have you pivot, but I don't want you to pivot with this particular workout. I just want you to focus on and bring your hands up as high as possible, and then bring them down as low as possible, but past that heel of that bottom foot, okay? Engage in the core the whole entire time. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so this is gonna be one of those complex exercises, the curtsy oblique crunch, okay? Even I had a little bit, I had a little bit of issues getting this right too as well, okay? So it takes some challenges or some practice to get this done. But essentially, you're gonna bring one foot to the opposite inside, and you're gonna crunch to the oblique side, okay? Bring the elbow as close to your elbow as close to your knee as possible. 2, 1, and break. All right, so you may have a stronger side than normal, as I found out with the courtesy oblique crunch, this time going to the right-hand side. All right, so you're not pulling on your head, just keep that in mind, but you bring your foot to the opposite end leg, okay? And you're gonna crunch it to the side, okay? Engaging the core the whole entire time. I think I'm really good at the right side. I don't know, how are you doing out there? Comment down below, let me know what you're doing. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, so the high five squats, okay? So with this particular workout, you're gonna have your feet around a little bit more than shoulder width apart. All right, keep your head looking over the horizon, your hands up as high as possible. You're gonna bring your hips down, keep it at a 90-degree angle in your legs. Make sure you keep the knee behind the biggest toe, engaging the core as you come up. All right, it's gonna be good for quads and core. 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're back at it again with the cross chops to the left-hand side. This time I want you to go a little bit faster, okay? Get that heart rate up, start burning those calories, okay? Remember the concept here. Hands will go up as high as possible, bringing that hand right behind that heel of that foot. All right, we're just gonna keep on burning those calories, going as fast as possible, but it's still keeping your head above your heart. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, we're going to the cross chops to the right-hand side this time. Same concept is going to apply, of course. Go faster than normal. This is your second set, so it's the last time you're going to see this workout exercise today, unless you press replay, which I hope you do, or share with your friends, all that good stuff. Anyway, 10 seconds left. We're crossing and chopping, engaging the core the whole entire time. Just keep a steady pace. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, curtsy oblique crunches to the left-hand side. I know you remember these. You might be a little bit off balance. That's okay. We'll get it right. We'll do it together, okay? A little bit better this time, kind of. We get it. Courtesy oblique crunch to the right hand side.
3, 2, 1.
Focus on bringing that foot to the opposite inside of that leg. Crunching the obliques, bring your knees and elbows together. You don't want to hit them too hard. Nice and soft and slow, okay? Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Try to catch your rhythm. High five squats. Now with the high five squats, you can go as low as possible, okay? But you don't have to go too low. So I like to bring my thighs when they're parallel to the ground. I think that works best as my natural. You don't have to go too low because it's not really worth it, all right? The lower you go though, the harder it will be to get back up. So always keep that in mind. 3, 2, 1, and break. I think I got a call on my iPad on this part. Lunge and twist is going to be next. All right, so we're gonna really start hitting the legs up and hitting that lower core too as well, okay? So with lunge and twist, your feet gonna be shoulder width apart. You're gonna hold your hands chest level, all right? Every time you lunge, I want you to twist your body right into that lunge. Move your head or whole body to the side of that leg, okay? Come back to that start position, repeat. Legs should be at 90-degree angle. 2, 1, and break. Now we're gonna do a lunge and twist to the right side this time. Same concept is going to apply. Engaging the core. You're gonna keep your feet about shoulder width apart. You're gonna lunge to the front and then push yourself off that power leg from the heel. Drive the weight from your heel to the start position. All right, engaging the core the whole entire time. Make sure you maintain a 90-degree angle between both of your legs, not hitting your knees on the ground. 2, 1, and break. All right, high knee pause. Okay, this is similar to the knee raises that we did earlier in this video, except for this one, you're gonna hop right into another knee raise. All right, so you're hopping into the knee raise, and you're gonna pause there for a second, okay? It's gonna help activate those core muscles that's already activated. You're gonna really start feeling this in your hip flexors if you already haven't done so, all right? Use your arms to help you keep balance too at the same time. When you feel like you're finna lose it, jump to the other side and break. Low squat and elbow reach, okay? I should have called this a lateral oblique crunch or something like that, but we're gonna work with this, okay? So, You're gonna come into a sumo squat, so feet should be around double shoulder width apart. You're gonna bring your hips down as far as possible to the ground, almost parallel. You're gonna keep your hands right on the side of your head, not pulling on your neck. And you're just gonna crunch to the left, crunch to the right. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, jump twist. Okay, so this is gonna be a confusing workout too as well, but once you get the rhythm down, I'm telling you, it will be easy and fun too as well. Okay, so it's gonna really get your cardio up. The key here is to switch your hands opposite end of your feet. So if your feet are going right, your hands should be going left and vice versa. All right, once you get the rhythm in, start engaging that core the whole entire time, picking up the pace as you need to. 2, 1, and break. All right, so we're starting over with the lunge and twist, this time to the left-hand side. All right, so feet are going to be shoulder width apart. You want to pick up the pace now with this particular workout. This is going to be really good for engaging the glutes. This is going to be really good for engaging the core too as well, and also with that lower belly fat. Okay, so if this is something that you want to get rid of, this is definitely going to help you out. Okay, that core is definitely going to help stabilize everything. 2, 1, and break. All right, so now we have the lunge and twist to the right-hand side this time. Same concept is going to apply here. Now, I love lunges. Lunges are one of those ways to build the core in a subtle way. People look over this all the time as a core workout, but it's definitely there to help get that tummy a lot flatter than what it is already. Okay, you got 10 seconds left. Make sure you keep your chest upright, looking over the horizon. 2, 1, and break. Back to the high knees and pause. Okay, we're almost done here. You want to really hop into that leg, okay? This is going to help the IT band along with the core. Okay, it's going to help develop power and also speed too as well. So if that's something you're looking for, this is where it's at. I find this a really good warm-up too for running hills. So if you are running hills, this may be something you want to do prior to. 2, 1, and break. Low squat, elbow reach. Again, we are in that sumo squat position, engaging the core the whole entire time, lowering your butts down to the ground. We're just crunching to the side, okay? If you can get your elbow to your leg, that is perfectly fine. If you can't, that is perfectly fine too as well. If you find this workout being a little bit too hard, come up a little bit. 2, 1, and break. All right, jump twist is next. Remember, you're gonna bring the opposite end hands to the opposite end feet. So if your feet are turning left, your hands should be turning right. All right, get that rhythm and pick up the pace. We are going in for the kill this time. 15 seconds left. We're picking up the pace. Got a nice little rhythm going there. 10 seconds left, and we're almost done. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break.
Complete.
All right. So that is the workout. Nothing but core. You may feel this in your legs too. That's perfectly fine. All right, remember, core is going to stabilize the whole entire body. You can't do these workouts with the weak core. So strengthen it up. Take these baby steps. Work for what you have. Start drinking a lot more water. You know, get that deficit going. You want to get some abs. You want to get your waist a little bit smaller. Don't eat so much bad calories. All right. Pick up the good stuff. Okay. I'll be leaving some links down in the description. Make sure you check them out. And if you like more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your push notifications so you don't miss the next workout. Also, hit the like button if you're new here. Make sure you subscribe if I didn't say that already. But if you're not new, you're a Mixonite, make sure you share this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.